which
Yes,
are
sir.
which is going to kill your time like anything, man. So just like a slow poison, it's going to kill your growth. It's going to waste your valuable time. Five time assassins, five time killing things. Sir, what the first one?
Stala.
The Staller mentality. The Staller mentality. He's always thinking about procrastination. Hurry, tomorrow I will do. Day after tomorrow I will do. After 2 days I will do. After 3 days I will do. Next week I will do. Next month I will do. Keep on postponing. This type of mentality is called Staller mentality. Unnecessary time is going to be wasted like anything with this person. Okay. The second assassin is speed demand. Speed demand. Without thinking anything, immediately is going to do that. Immediately will do. Later he felt that, Array, I did, my time got wasted. Like then he's trying to change. Array, better to spend some time, better to think, better to ask some expert suggestion before doing. Okay, don't do hurry burry. Don't do the things very speedily, speed demand. The third one is supervisor mentality. Supervisor mentality. Supervisor, he is trying to do everything himself. He is trying to do everything himself. If the person is going to do everything himself, where is the difference between low value task, high value task? Where is the growth? He is always busyness. He is doing the busyness, supervisor, not business. Okay. The fourth one, the saver mentality. Saver, saver, saver. Okay. He's always going to save the money. Array, small activity, man. Just a milk packet going and taking 5 minutes work only. What is the need of arranging a person? So if I ask a person to bring milk packets every day, we may require to pay some 50 rupees, 100 rupees extra every month. What is the need? What is the need? Let me do on my own. Like the people are going to feel. This type of persons are called the saver mentality. Saver mentality. Okay, hurry for small activity. What the need of paying? Let me do because I have the time. Let me do that. Like next last one is the self-medicator. The self-medicator. This person is always going to, hurry, I did that hard work. Let me take some 2 days rest. Hurry, exams got completed. Let me take 1 month rest. Or my project production got completed. Let me take 2 days leave. Let me enjoy something like this type of self-medicator. These five are time assassins. So these five mentalities are going to waste your valuable time like anything, man. The stellar, speed demand, supervisor, saver, self-medicator. Remember that. Okay, we spend almost 1 hour or two days time on this. I did some exercise also. Hurry, you are belongs to which category? Next, compulsory you should come out. You have to remove that time assassin from your daily routine. Otherwise, there is no growth at all.